Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Affirm. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in affirm.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Affirm website. Now in order to create a new account, click on sign up at the top right corner and you will be taken into the sign up page. You will be asked to enter your phone number. Go ahead and type in your phone number and then click on the continue button. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone. Just check your SMS and you will find this verification code. Enter the 6-digit code within the given box and you will then be allowed to create your username and your password. Go ahead and type in your desired username and then enter your desired password for your account. And once you proceed forward, you will be allowed to set up your profile and you will be logged in to your newly created account once your profile has been set up. And now you can start using your Affirm account on your PC as well as the application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Affirm. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.